Imagine you're locked out of your home, car, or business. Frustrating, right? Now picture having a reliable locksmith who can solve this problem swiftly and securely. Flea Market Lock and Key can help. At Flea Market Lock and Key, we specialize in professional residential, automotive, and commercial locksmith services. We understand the urgency and provide quick, trustworthy solutions. Whether you're a homeowner, car owner, or run a commercial business, we are your go-to experts for all locksmith needs. We are here to help when you need us the most. You can trust Flea Market Lock and Key to get you back into your home, car, or commercial business and make sure your lock's functional and secure. Contact us to learn more or to schedule your request. Call or text 904-729-6505 or visit our Google listing by typing Flea Market Lock and Key on Google.